Welcome to the easiest, most elegant Valentine's dinner plan. We're pan-searing 2 perfect salmon fillets. Season them heavily with salt and pepper and get a beautiful sear for about 4 minutes on medium-high heat. The secret to a perfect texture is patting that fish completely dry before it hits the oil. While our salmon finishes cooking, let's toss our asparagus with a little oil, salt, and pepper. We'll pop those into the oven or air fryer for about 6 minutes so they're tender crisp. Now remove the cooked salmon and set it aside to rest. Now for the star of the show, the sauce. Reduce the heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter and 3 cloves of minced garlic to the pan. Cook until fragrant, then pour in a 1/4 cup of chicken broth to deglaze, scraping up all those delicious brown bits left by the salmon. Take the pan off the heat and stir in the juice of half a fresh lemon, along with a teaspoon of chopped dill or parsley. This acid cut is essential. It brightens the entire dish and creates a creamy, luxurious finish without any heavy cream. Give it a quick taste and adjust your salt. And that is all it takes, an incredibly impressive, light and romantic dinner made in minutes. Plate your asparagus, lay the salmon over it, and generously spoon that luscious sauce right over the top. Happy Valentine's Day! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.